Hey everyone, in these next couple lectures we're going to be talking about facts, theories, laws, and so on. And in this lecture, we're going to be talking about facts. So let's get started. Now here's how I want you to think about facts. There are many facts out there. Unfortunately, science has nothing to do with how to find those facts. Science doesn't tell us about facts. Now I want to clarify, I'm not suggesting postmodernism. Postmodernism is about basically you make your own facts. I'm not suggesting that. I'm suggesting that science has nothing to do with finding facts. Well, if the purpose of science is to not find facts, then what is the purpose of science? So let me clarify. The purpose of science is to develop theories that help us understand how this universe works. The purpose of science is, in fact, to have skepticism. You should look at different things that scientists say and say, oh, I'm not sure about that. I feel like maybe my suggestion is a little bit better about how science works. And so for that reason, we can't really have people claiming what the facts are because the purpose of science is to have skepticism. Now that's not to say that theories are not believable. In fact, many theories are believable. I believe in many theories in science. I'm just saying that science is not about finding facts. Let me explain why. So this is the problem with having people claim what the facts are. If people should decide what the facts are, then who decides what the facts are? I mean, you can say scientists because they're really smart and stuff. But what qualifies them to tell me what the truth is? I mean, think of it this way. If a scientist comes out and says, God does not exist, and that's a fact, well, that's sort of problematic because then am I supposed to say, okay, well, I'm just not going to have any skepticism about that. I'm not going to question you because it's a fact, right? So in the next couple lectures, we're going to be talking about theories and laws. And really, science is all about these two things. They're not about facts. Scientists are not trying to tell you what the truth is. They're trying to suggest to you what they believe the truth is. And that's where we get into theories and laws. So I'll see you guys in the next lectures. You just watched a video from More Learning. We provide free math videos and we offer many online courses. We also provide free math tutoring via YouTube Live every Thursday and Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video to get access to all of our free content. And put a comment in the comment section if you have any math questions. Check out all of our courses on amorelearning.org.